Gotta get that water in. Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Richhitz, man, Book Richhitz, and today I'm back at you guys again with another video. And today I'm going to show you guys just a little trick that I use for my text, just to give it a little bit of more artistic vibe as far as on a graphic design standpoint. But if you do video, this can actually help your videos as well if you want to drop your text into your video as a PNG. So stay with me, guys. Again, this is going to be a quick tutorial. I'm just going to dip over to Photoshop and show you exactly how we do this. Alright guys, so now that we have Photoshop open, let me go ahead and show you how to do that effect. So primarily it works with any text and pretty much anything that you are doing in Photoshop, but what I've noticed, at least that works for me and my style, it works better when the text is bold. So let's go ahead and grab the text tool, the type tool, and let's just type out, let's move this over to the middle. Let's just type out create. And what we're going to do, we're just going to bring the text in some. And let's make the text bold. Alright, let's hit the check mark at the top. And I just want to drag this out. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Hit enter. So to actually do this effect, what you're going to want to do is copy this color of the text, which is going to be white or red, whatever it is that you use. I'm just using white for the sake of the tutorial. And then what we're going to want to do is drag it down, just pretty much creating a darker tint to the color that we have the text is. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to just make it, let's do like a darker gray. Alright, the very next step is actually us creating the effect. So we're going to go ahead and grab our quick selection tool, click here. Remember guys, hit shift. Alright, now let's go back to the pen tool and we're going to create our shadow. At least we're going to create the guideline that the shadow is going to be. So you can either have it straight across, or what I always like to do is zoom out just a little bit, click here, hold, and just pull just a tiny bit up. That way it's going to create a kind of curve in your text. Now let's go back to this pen here. We're going to hit Alt or Option, click, and then all we're going to do is close this off. Now once you have this closed off, you're going to want to go ahead and right click. Once you right click, let's hit make selection. And like I said, we're going to do subtract from selection. Now let's go up to the top where it says select, click select, scroll down to modify, and then let's hit contract. So once you hit contract, you'll be able to bring your shadow in a little bit from the border, so it's not actually touching the letter. It's going to be inside the text. So let's go ahead and hit 5, hit enter, and now you see it's not at the edge of the text anymore. It's going to be pretty much on the inside. That's kind of dope for like gaming designs or gamer banners or anything like that. So like I said before, let's go ahead and create a new layer. Grab your paintbrush tool and just start painting it in. Hit Command D to deselect, and of course put your opacity around 50 to 40%. We're gonna go with 40%. There you have it, guys. Simple tutorial for you guys today, of course, as always. And if this video happened to help you out, and if you guys are adding more flair to your text after watching these tutorials, go ahead and drop a comment down below, man. Just let me know that you guys are showing some love. Go ahead and hit that like button, and of course, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.